Download Dodo Webview in 2026, in 2027 till the end of time. Here I'm going to show you how to download Dodo Webview app. Now, to download it, there is many reasons for you not to see it. Either it is not yet rolled out in your region, or it is not yet in your Apple Store. Now here, open your Apple Store and tap it like this in order to download it. Now here, click on search. Now here, click on the search and then tap on the search bar here. Now type Dodo Webview. I'm using Play Store. You can see here. Now click on Dodo Webview here. App. You can see it is not yet rolled out in my Play Store. Here you can see. After typing this on the screen, now here you will find it. You find it here. You can see here. And then click on download here. Download now. But if you are using iOS, you can easily download it from your Apple Store because it's now available in iOS, so you can find it. Now here you can see it here. Now here, click on download now and then click on download here, this icon. As you can see, it is still not yet available on Play Store, but you can find it on Apple Store. So 100%, this is a new application which helps you to break directory and secure. So wait for it to roll out. It's still yet on India. You can download it if you are in India, and also make sure your Android web view is up to date. You have to be the first to receive it in your Play Store here. Make sure this is up to date. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.